Exercise 3.6, question number 1 and Roman number 2. Here we are given 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. Question number 1. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Equation number 2. Here also you can see that the equations are non-linear equation. So first of all we need to reduce the non-linear equations into a pair of linear equations in two variables. So we can write equation 1 and 2 as 2 into 1 by root x plus 3 into 1 by root y equal to 2, and 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y equal to minus 1. So here also you can see that 1 by root x, 1 by root x same, 1 by root y, 1 by root y same. So now let u equal to 1 by root x and v equal to 1 by root y and put in equation 1 and 2. Then we get 2u plus 3v minus 2 equal to 0, because of we can take 2 as from right side to left side, so it will become negative. So it's equation number 3. And 4u minus 9v plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 is that side, so we can take left side, so it will become plus 1. So equation number 4. Now we need to check they are intersecting or not. So a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. So you can see that a1 by a2, that means 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, and here 3 by 9, so minus 1 by 3. So a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. That means both are intersecting. So we can solve by using cross multiplication method. Here also we will apply cross multiplication method. So we will first arrange the coefficients of the equations as in this way, as we have already learned in the previous class. So first we will take b1, b2. So b1 is 3 and b2 is minus 9. Then constant c1 and c2. c1 is minus 2, c2 is 1. And after that a1, a2. a1 is 2, a2 is 4. And after that b1, b2 again. So b1 is 3, so 3. b2 is minus 9, so minus 9. Then again u by, we need to take product of these two first. So 3 into 1, so 3. And minus 9 into minus, here will be first of all according to the formula, here you have to write minus. Now minus 9 into minus 2, so minus minus plus. So 9 into 2, 18, so minus 18. So equal to v by minus 2 into 4, so minus 8, minus 1 into 2, so 2, equal to 2 into minus 9, so minus 18, then minus 4 into 3, 12. Now after that it will, after calculating, it will become minus 15. Here it will become minus 18, minus 10 actually, not 18. So u by minus 15, because of 18 minus 3 is 15, and minus 8 minus 2, so minus 10, minus 18 minus 12, so minus 30. So first of all we will take first and third ratio. First and third ratio, so u by minus 15 equal to 1 by minus 30. So it will become u equal to 1 by 2. And same to same, v by minus 10 equal to 1 by minus 30, so it will become b equal to 1 by 3. So again we will put u equal to 1 by root x and v equal to 1 by root y. We have 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 because of u equal to 1 by 2, so we can put in place of u 1 by 2. So this implies root x equal to 2 by taking reciprocal of both sides. So squaring both sides we will get x equal to 4. Same way v equal to 1 by root y. So 1 by root equal to 1 by 3 because of v equal to 1 by 3. So both are equal. So 1 by root y equal to 1 by 3. So this implies root y equal to 3. So this implies after squaring y equal to 9. Hence x equal to 4 and y equal to 9.